Next, statement of the problem. Napakahalaga po nito. Tinatanong po ito ng mga panelists. Ano bang statement of the problem natin? The study will aim to provide in-depth description and understanding the lived experience and struggle of young street vendors about the study. And then yung title mo. Meron tayong 2 questions. Hindi lang ito po yung itatanong natin sa interview. Central questions po ito, naka-highlight lang. Okay? What have the participants experienced in selling their goods in the street? How have the participants benefit from the selling on the street every day? Okay? Assumption of the study. Assumption means palagay. Sasagutin mo lang yung statement of the problem. Scope and delimitation. This study will focus on the daily adventure of young street vendors and their process of making money on the road. Scope and delimitation naman is what? Yung nasasakupan ng pag-aaral po natin. Okay, pwede yung ilagay dyan yung particular city or yung municipality. Kung saan particular yung mga participants, kung saan mo sila kukunin lugar. Ayun. The result of the study will reveal by conducting, 5 young street vendors. Sa significance of the study naman, wag natin kakalimutan, kanina beneficial yung pag-aaral mo. Nagbigay lang ako ng ibang konting sample dito, pero marami pa kayong pwedeng isipin kung kanino nga. Other researchers and future researchers. Although kasama sa significance of the study yung social workers, barangay officials, teachers, kasama po yung parents. And then the last part, researchers and future researchers. The result of the study can be used as a reference or basis for conducting future researches. Definition of terms, ginagamit natin palagi yung mga keywords. Meaning, money is any item or verifiable record that is generally accepted as payment by Oxford 2018. Pero sa study natin, it is source of students' income.